we have some more questions over here. Sum to n terms of the following series. You have to recognize the pattern first of all. There are three parts. The first one is 1, maybe 1 by 1. This is plus 1 plus 2 by 2. Second term we have numerator is sum of two terms divided by 2. In the third term we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. That means sum of three terms, first three natural numbers divided by 3, and this is up till n terms we all have. So what will we do? We first recognize the pattern and write down the Tn for the first part. Let me write Tn. Tn will become, in the numerator 3 terms, third term means sum of 3. So nth term means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till n. And in the denominator, because 1 by 1, then second term by 2, third term in denominator is 3, and nth term will be having n. So this is your sigma n by n. Now sigma n is your n into n plus 1 by 2, and n is in the denominator already. This getting cancelled, so we are having here half n plus 1. So if I want to find the Sn for first n terms of this sequence, then I'll write sigma Tn, and this is your sigma half into n plus 1. So this is your half sigma n plus half sigma 1. So we have already considered these as the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 and plus half into n. So we are left with n by 2 and then n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is your n by 2, n plus 3, and then we are having 4. We can always verify our answer. If I say substitute n as 3, say, this S3 will become over here 3 into 3 plus 3, 6 by 4. So this is your 920. Now let me take over here S3 from here 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 3. This is 2. This is 2, 3. 9 by 2 or so on, any of the term you can substitute. Now let me take the second part. We have here 1 cube plus upon 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube upon 1 plus 3. There was single term, now it is denominator is, in second term we have 1 plus 3, in third term we have in the denominator as 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is natural and AP, you all know. So for second term, if I want to find Tn, this nth term, this will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up till n cube. We can always recognize the pattern, and 1 plus 3 plus 5 up till n terms, because in first term 1, third term, second term 1 plus 3, third term 1 plus 3 plus 5. So nth term we 1 plus 3 plus 5 up till n terms. In the numerator we have special series sigma n cube, but in the denominator we are having this is an AP, which is your first term as 1 and common difference is 2. But this is a sum, so I have to use the formula for Sn. Sn is your n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Sn as n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You all know that by 10 standard. Now I will be taking AP sum formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2 here, and this is your sigma n cube. So 2 taking common and getting cancelled, we are left with n minus 1 plus 1. This is n only. Now sigma n cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So if I further simplify, this n square getting cancelled, we are left with only this much. Okay. Now after that, if I want to take Sn, this is sigma Tn, and this is your sigma over n plus 1 whole square upon 4. I can take it out of the sigma sign. This is your 1 by 4 sigma n square plus 2n plus 1. If I open this bracket to apply sigma operator, This is your 1 by 4 sigma h square plus 2 by 4 sigma n plus 1 by 4 sigma 1 with bidistributive property. Now apply the formulas. We have n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 4 into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into n. This all formulas only we have used. Now further, if I want to simplify, this n by 4 is coming common. So we are left with n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So we are having here, this is 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus 6n plus 6 plus 6 upon 6. By taking LCM, this is n 2n square plus 9n plus 13 by 24. You can always verify your answer. Let us move to the third part. This is your if Sk is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till 6 plus k. This is your Sk and up till k upon k. Then you want to find S1 square, S2 square, S3 square, etc. Means if I want to write S1, that means it will be 1 up till 1 term upon k is 1. So this will be 1 only. Then S2 will be 1 plus 2 by 2 and so on. So what will I do? I will take Sk, simplify it. This is first I will write 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till k upon k. We have seen the pattern only, and this is sigma. This is first natural numbers. I can directly apply AP formula as well, or whatever you feel like. This is I have applied AP formula Sn as n by 2 a plus n. Or you can simply write some of first n natural numbers, here k natural numbers. So k into k plus 1 by 2. This k getting cancelled, we are left with half into k plus 1. That means Sk square will be your k plus 1 whole square by 4. Now you can recognize that we have already done this over here. You can see over here, this is the same as this part. This is only the question form is different. Now this is Sk square, so S1 square plus S2 square up till this is means the required sum is S1 square plus S2 square plus S3 square up till Sn square is actually sigma Sk square over here, where k is running from 1 to n. This means this is same, and this Sk square is sigma, k running from 1 to n is 1 by 4 k plus 1 whole square. Now this is your 1 by 4, again sigma k square plus 2k plus 1 and k running from 1 to n. This I will write further 1 by 4 sigma n square for our convenience, 2 by 4 sigma k n plus 1 by 4 sigma 1, or simply put down these formulas as it is. Now this will be same as the remaining part as this only. So we are getting the same answer over here in third part as well. Thank you. Dear students, you can see a question on the board, that is 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 4 square up till n into n plus 1 whole square. There are n terms in the numerator, and then 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus 3 square into 4 up till n square into n plus 1. This all in denominator, and this you want to simplify it as 3n plus 5 upon 3n plus 1. You can see there is a series in the numerator as well as in the denominator. These are two separate series you can think of, and then we can find the sum of the series in the numerator separately and find the sum of the series in the denominator separately and simplify. So this is a double question, so it may come for 6 marks even in exams. It is a miscellaneous NCERT question. Now for numerator, if I take the general term, we can always recognize the pattern and write verbally. And here also nth term is already given to you. So what will we do? We'll straight away write this, or I always verify it if it is written up to n terms. Then we have here n into n square plus 2n plus 1. If I simplify this as n cube plus 2n square plus n, we have got Tn as this term. So Sn, this is for numerator, this you will have to mention. And now Sn is your sigma Tn, and this is your sigma over n cube plus 2n square plus n. So this is your sigma n cube plus 2 times sigma n square plus sigma n. We have used the property of sigma operator, distributive property. Now sigma n cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, and this is 2 times n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 6, and then sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. If anything comes common, because we want to simplify and get the answer in this form, so it is better to simplify here only by taking common and making the factors. So if this is common, inside we are left with n into n plus 1 by 2. Then this is your 2n plus 1 into 2 by 3 plus 1. So we are left with n into n plus 1 by 2, and this is your, by taking LCM, 6. This is 3n square plus 3n plus 8n plus 4 plus 6 divided by 6, that comes out to be n plus 1 into 3n square plus 11n plus 10 upon 12. And if I further, by splitting the middle term, get it like 3n plus 5 into n plus 2, let me check, this is okay, by 12. This is your, for numerator Sn we have got in simplified form. Now let me take the second part of the question. For denominator I will take that is as 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 up till n square into n plus 1. So general term, I take a different symbol. Let me take small tn or tn dash as n square into n plus 1. This after simplification comes to be n cube plus n square. So if I take small sn here, this is sigma tn, and this is now sigma over n cube plus n square. And this is by separating sigma over these and applying the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So we are having again something common that I take. This is n plus 1 by 2 plus 2n plus 1 by 3, and we are left with n plus 1 by 2. Inside we have 3n square plus 3n plus 4n plus 2 by 6. So now this is n plus 1, 3n square plus 7n plus 2, and if I make the factors by splitting the middle term, I will be getting n into n plus 1 into 3n square 3n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. If you are to be quick in factorizing, these answers must be there, you can guess your answer, and n plus 2 is there, and these all two terms is all there. So n plus 2 must be a factor of this. So we have got the denominator as well as numerator, the separate Sn. Now the required sum, required जो आपको चाहिए, that is your capital Sn, sum of the numerator, and then small sn. That becomes yours. This is n into n plus 1, 3n plus 5 into n plus 2 by 12, and divided by, we are having n plus 1, 3n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 12. So we are having these all terms getting cancelled, and left with 3n plus 5 upon 3n plus 1, and which was your right side, the required one. Hence